Clover is a point-of-sale and business management system that gives you the ability to accept electronic payments, track inventory, and generate sales reports, and a whole bunch more. It exists to help you run your small business more efficiently. So let's take a look at the functionality, the equipment, and other features that come with a Clover account. Clover is a point-of-sale and cash register system that allows you to accept payments in various ways, including retail, online, mobile. There's online ordering, invoice links, virtual terminal, recurring billing, and a whole bunch more. There's lots of features packed into a Clover account. Your customers can pay with EMV chip cards, contactless payments through NFC, and you can accept cash, of course, with the optional register drawer. With every Clover account, there's a software suite of products that you can use, as well as hardware, and let's take a look at the hardware first. The main hardware options that are available are as follows. First is the simplest option, and that is the mobile option, which is the Clover GO, and that's a app-based system that's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. You just download the app and put it on your phone or device and pair it to your hardware via Bluetooth connection, so the app will connect to the hardware. The newest version of Clover GO card reader gives you faster processing speeds and longer battery life. That's the Generation 3. EMV and NFC payment collection is available with Clover GO. The next in the line is Clover FLEX, and this is a versatile handheld device that can be used in tandem with other retail systems that I'll cover in just a minute, as well as a standalone mobile device that can be used 100% independent of any Wi-Fi signal or anything like that. It can be used in the field anywhere a signal can be received. So it has a 5-inch screen, an embedded printer, it accepts swipe cards, of course, EMV, NFC, which is contactless, and the chip cards, and it can be handed to a customer to enter a PIN number if you're doing PIN-based debit for any reason. Next, there's the Clover Mini, which is an 8-inch tablet system. It has a built-in printer, both Wi-Fi and cellular LTE connectivity, and an optimization hub that allows for a range of compatible accessories like a barcode scanner, for example. And finally, we have Clover's flagship cash register system, which is the Station and the Solo. So the Clover Station Duo has a customer-facing screen in it, and it's a 14-inch screen, high resolution, that it faces the employee, and then there's a 7-inch customer-facing tablet that allows the customer to perform the functions that they need to. There's a merchant receipt printer and a starter kit, an optional cash drawer. Connectivity is Ethernet or Wi-Fi only, and that's with the Clover Station Duo. The Clover Station Solo is basically the single screen version of the Station Duo. It still has the high resolution employee-facing screen, a merchant receipt printer, and a starter kit, optional cash drawer. The connectivity is Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or LTE, so that's one difference, and the Solo does not support tethering to a Mini, Flex, or an NFC printer, so there are some differences between the Solo and the Station, but the core functionality of the Duo and the Solo are the same. Now let's look at the dashboard payments and the online reporting. With every Clover account, you're going to get access to an online dashboard where you can collect payments and run your business. The online account is where you send invoices, add customer profiles, access the virtual terminal, and run sales reports. You can add employees with different permissions, and you can also access the app marketplace that allows you to add and expand your account. Within the dashboard account, if you want to accept payments exclusively, there's lots of stuff you can do in there, but if you want to accept payments, you have access to number one, the virtual terminal for phone orders and virtual payments, invoices for specific invoicing needs, a recurring payment tab for billing and payment plans, a hosted payment form that is referred to as hosted checkout that can be configured with custom information, and this page stands independent of a website or can be used independent of a website. The payment links for quick payments that can be texted or emailed out, and there's also a QR code payment option under the payment link section. And finally, there's an online ordering section so customers can actually place and pay for orders on a website link, and this is available specifically with software plans, register, counter service, and table service Clover plans. And if you have questions about your account at any point, you can click the help dropdown and the get support link, and you can select category that you need help with, and then there's either phone support or chat support depending on how your account is set up. One of the nice benefits of using Clover is that, as I mentioned before, you can can expand and customize your Clover system by the use of the marketplace apps. The apps that you may choose to add allows you to expand the functionality of your Clover point of sale by adding, for example, the QuickBooks integration so that everything syncs properly with that popular accounting software. Other common app categories include time clocks, payroll, gift cards and loyalty programs, e-commerce plugins, like for example with WordPress and WooCommerce, QR code ordering for restaurants, online scheduling for salons and other appointment-based businesses. And again, that's a snapshot of just some of the categories. There's a lot more available. The list goes on and on. So there's a marketplace link in the description of this video if you want to browse for an app that fits your business needs. Once again, everything is customizable to your organization's liking. If you're considering Clover for your business and you have questions that haven't been addressed in this video, be sure to check the playlist in the description for more category and functionality specific tutorials. If you like this video and you want more info on Clover or all merchant account and payment systems information, be sure to click on the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and or you learned something from it. Share this video with your friends. I'm Brian Manning and I'll see you on the next one.